Hello, my name is Charlie Duffield and today we're doing the speaking test 2.
Yes.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Cat.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Good. Cat, have a look here. We can see a dining room. Here
Yes.
the girl is eating.
Yes.
Here's the table.
Yes.
Where is the computer? Good.
Here.
And where are the oranges?
Oranges.
Yeah, oranges. Good, well done. Okay, have a look here. And which one is the lamp?
Lamp. This
Good.
one.
I'm going to put the lamp on the desk. Can you put the lamp next to the plane?
Here.
Good, well done. And which one is the ruler?
This one.
Good. Can you put the ruler under the clock?
Under the cloth. Here.
Good. And which one is the carrots?
This one.
Good. And can you put the carrots on the phone?
On the phone.
Yeah.
This one.
Good, well done, excellent. What's this?
Pencils.
Okay, it's a pencil. What colour is it?
Green.
Good. And how many pencils are there?
There are 5 pencils.
Good, well done. And have a look at the man. What is he doing? The man.
The man is playing computer
Oh, is that a man or a boy?
Boy.
That's a boy. Where's the man?
This.
Okay, what's he doing?
He drink water.
Drinking.
Drinking water.
Okay. And what are these?
Grapes.
Good. Do you eat grapes?
Yes. They
What-
very delicious.
Yeah, what's your favourite fruit?
Cherry.
Cherries. And what's this?
Camera.
It's a
It's a camera.
camera. Really? Cameraman?
Radio.
Radio. Do you like listening to the radio?
No.
No. What colour is this radio?
White and green.
Good. What's this?
Tennis.
Good. Do you play tennis?
No.
What do you play with your friends?
I'm playing football.
Football. And in your house?
No. In a garden.
In your garden. Okay, but in your house, how many rooms are there?
There are 5.
5 rooms. And
Yes.
is your bedroom big or small?
Big.
Big. Okay. Excellent. Finished. Okay, great. Thank you. Goodbye.